since I do live nung nasa Cebu pa ako. So, yeah, na-miss ko kayong lahat. I'm sorry because noisy dito.
Good.
Good.
Okay. Can I tell you something? I love you.
So I'm here sa Japanese restaurant. I'm craving for some Japanese food. Ah, this is the guide. Koyo. First time ako makatry nito. So I'm so excited for this. Kumain na ba kayong lahat? Thank you po. Mag-ingat ka always, Idol Elimis. Thank you so much. Always mag-ingat para sa inyong lahat. And for myself. Wala mo na. Yeah. I'm back. So I'm so happy today kasi I finally bought my new Dyson! So ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung binili ko. Kasi yung old version ng Dyson ko na Airwrap, I think, ilang years na ba siya? 3 years? 3 years siya, and still working. But, yeah, my new version ng Dyson, and pink kasi yung color, and you know guys how much I love pink a lot. So, binili ko na siya kanina nung pagkikita ko. Actually, hindi ko pa sana siya bibilhin. It's not a plan yet. Pero pagkita ko sa pink, oh my god, I think I need to buy this one. Thank you for the stars, Uwe, Otili. So I'm here in BGC right now. Yep. Japanese restaurant kasi I've been craving for the Japanese food for a while now. And I think it's been a month or more since I had my Japanese food. I think a month kasi nagluto ako ng Inuki beef roll sa bahay last month. And yeah, na-miss ko lang. I love it. Protein and fiber. Perfect. And konti lang yung kinain ko kanina. I just had, for my brunch, I just had tuna with cucumber. So, yeah, konti lang. Like,